Hi everyone, Chef Petey coming to you from my home kitchen once again. Continuing our COVID-19 pandemic cooking series, this dish is number 11. Now today I will show you everyone's favorite shrimp and lobster sauce. Yeah! This dish is super easy to make and it's very tasty. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, ingredients we need today. I have half pound of jumbo shrimp, 21-25 count, peel and devein. I have 12 here. Quarter pound of ground pork, 2 slices of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic. I have 2 cups of soup stock. You can also use chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use plain old water plus chicken base. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black bean paste. And this is from the fermented black bean plus garlic. And I will put a link down to the earlier video I had of pepper steak. Sesame oil right here, 1/8 teaspoon. I have dark soy, half a teaspoon. And I have a dash of white pepper powder. Cornstarch. This is going to be for marinating the shrimp and also to make the gravy thick. Oh, I almost forgot. We need 1 egg. Options. You can put green onions. We don't normally put green onions when we eat it ourselves because we don't like it, but we will use green peas. Some people also use carrots or water chestnuts in their shrimp and lobster sauce. Okay, let's prep the shrimp. So all you need is a little bit of light soy, a little bit of rice wine, don't need very much at all, white pepper powder, and cornstarch. And just mix it in real good. And a little bit of oil. And now you would normally put this in the fridge for a couple hours, but we're just going to cook it right now. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we're just going to crush the garlic. And the ginger. Just crush it. Back with a knife. Okay, we're ready to cook. Alright, I'm going to heat up the wok. Put some oil in. We're going to cook the shrimp first. You want to cook it about half done. And then we'll take it out. Add more oil. Now we're gonna put the ginger and garlic in. You want to cook it for probably at least 30 seconds to a minute and let that infuse with the oil. It's the aromatics here. Now you put the pork. Okay, once it starts boiling, you can take out the aromatics now. You can take out the ginger and garlic if they're big pieces. You can also crush them too and have it in there. So there's a couple of ways you could do it. Okay, now we can add our salt, sugar, white pepper powder, oyster sauce, this is dark soy, just makes it a little bit darker. Sesame oil, and the black bean paste. Now we're going to add the shrimp back in. Gonna put our green peas in now. And now we're gonna put in the cornstarch and water mixture. Add in a little at a time. And now the egg. Oh, it's got a double yolk. Just drizzle on top. Now we're done. Okay, we're just gonna scoop this up. I made it with a lot of sauce. There it is. Okay, I got a bowl of rice. I made it with a lot of gravy because I like to really pour the gravy on to the rice. Now, some green pea. Here's some shrimp. Taste test time. Mmm. The shrimp is perfect, perfectly done. It's not overcooked at all. The sauce has got a really good ginger and garlic taste to it, and that black bean I can taste. It's very rich. It's really good. Okay, so I hope you get a chance to try it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.